So this is the Heat Styling Protection Spray by MoroccanOil. I'm gonna spray it in my hands, emulsify it, and just place it all over. Flat iron it first, just to get these crinkles out. Mostly these crinkles are at like my scalp because I have such wavy hair. So I kind of just like to iron them out a little bit. So dry shampoo by MoroccanOil, and it's the brown. I'm just gonna do right where my part is. All right, now, curl time. I'm gonna part my hair out first. Ear to ear, so I'm just gonna go like this and just follow it around. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is the Marcel iron, and I'm gonna rotate going different directions. And if you can see, I'm not tugging this whole entire part inside. Watch what I do, because I'm gonna twist it, okay? Do you see how I just twisted that? And I'm gonna twist it again. Do you guys see that twist? So since I went this way, I'm gonna go the other direction. So that section's done. Now I'm going to do this to mid. Doesn't have to be perfect. I actually think I'm gonna take this whole section. Now, since I went back with this section, I'm gonna go forward with this one. And I'm leaving my tail out. And then I twist it out. Rotating, I did backwards, forward, this is going back. When you're curling your hair, you want to make it easy for you, so take sections. If you feel this section is too big, make it smaller. I remember this, I went back, so I'm gonna go back in this one so they're the same on each side. But if you can kind of tell, they look even going back. Now this is I call it the halo part of the scalp. It's all the way around. And you kind of want to know how you're gonna wear your hair. My hair seems to part right here at all times, so I'm probably gonna go with that part. But to start, I'm gonna go with the crown. And I'm gonna cut it into two. Look how cool that looks. It's like a ribbon. It's super neat. And now I'm gonna part it where I would part it. It's about right there. And this side of my head is a whole lot thicker than this side. So I'm gonna go with this first. And you kind of want to think about how you want this curl to lay. Do you want it to go back and feather away from the face? Or do you kind of want it to come towards your face? I'm going to do it like this, which is towards my face. And that's just a preference. I usually like to go or how my hair flows and like what direction it wants to go instead of fighting it, so it lays really nice. And I'm gonna go back with this one. Really want to base your sections off the size of your wand, your curling iron, your marcel, whichever you're using. So since I went under with this piece, I'm going under with this one. Now I'm gonna spray some texture spray, and it's by MoroccanOil. It's their dry texture spray. Now I'm gonna mess them up. I'm gonna start in the back because that's kind of, they had some time to cool a little bit. And I'm just gonna claw at them a little bit. Shake them. Separate them a little bit. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. This stuff kind of gives it like a grip to the hair and kind of gives it that messy, undone texture, which I like. All right, now I kind of feel that's where I want my hair for today. So I'm gonna spray it. Some hairspray, woohoo! This is the Stronghold by MoroccanOil. Gives it some shine, a nice hold, and it's still finger touchable. You can even like piece it with the hairspray if you wanted to, and bring it some more definition, if you would. Sweet. What do y'all think? Yeah? That look good?